Hello, Anna. Hello.
Hello. Yeah.
Yeah. Please give permission to record, Anna.
Okay. One second. Okay. Everyone able to record, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Can we continue? Okay. Now we restored our repository contents, right? Now we'll check the status of our domain database schema. If you go here, if you reconnect again, automatically all the things will be restored. Okay. If you go here, see all the things came back. Okay. So if you check connections, again our connections will be placed, not placed. Okay, we'll check workflow and session logs. OPB underscore. Yeah, we have mappings, but not showing connections. Okay, and we'll see everything will be uh, stored under different tables. OPB underscore task. We have task of our XT. Okay, now everything has been restored using restore option. Okay, this is how we'll take the backups, and this is how our backups will help us in uh, restoring the data. Okay, and if you want to see the backup files, you have to click on it and it will list all backup files here. Okay, and uh, if you go to actions again, upgrade. If you want to upgrade your contents from one version to another version, you need to choose that upgrade option. If you want to upgrade users and user groups from one version like 9.10.1 to 10.2, if you want to upgrade, you can choose this upgrade options for upgrading version. Okay, so this is how we'll take the backup of repository and we'll restore, we'll delete. We don't use delete, copy, create. We'll take backup only. In very rare cases, in 1% of cases, we'll do restore also. Okay, so backup is important. Okay, any questions, please, as of now? It will finish up our repository concept today. If no questions, we'll move to integration service topic. Okay, so I'm moving to integration service topic. As of now, it is in disabled status. Why? Because we kept the repository service in uh, exclusive mode, right? That's why it's in disabled status. Now it is normal mode, right? So normal or exclusive still? Yeah, still it's in exclusive mode. So we need to change it to normal. If you now you can see the status here. See, if anything is down in your admin console, you will be able to see this list symbol. Means there is one service interruption. Okay, so you have to find it from here. Okay. Now we need to recycle integration service. Okay, right? I think you guys got this concept. This is the parent, repository service is the parent, integration service is the child. Without parent, child will not do anything. Okay. Now we'll discuss about integration service. This service is mainly used to collect the data from source system, and it will validate the data into our Informatica, and it will load the data into target system. This is the main functionality of integration service. Okay, so if you want to know this, if you want to know on which node it is running currently means, you can check that under general properties. And node 01 it is running. If you have multi-node environment, if you have 5 nodes in your environment, you want to know the out of 5 nodes on which node it is running, you need to check this primary node option. Okay, then data movement modes. I've already explained we have two data movement modes. One is ASCII, one is Unicode. If you want to use ASCII mode, usually this data movement mode will specify the speed of your data, like how much speed it should read, how much speed it should write into target. ASCII usually, ASCII data movement mode will take 1 byte memory for reading the data, and as 1 byte memory for writing the data. And if it is Unicode, you are selecting your data movement mode is Unicode, it will take 2 bytes from your server memory for reading the data, and 2 bytes for reading the writing the data into target. Okay, and also if you are using special characters, like your project is going to support other than English characters, it will take extra 1 byte, means 3 bytes for reading the data and 3 bytes for writing the data. So in that case, you have to keep more RAM for your server, or else due to high RAM consumption, your server will be going downstate. Okay, so these are all the data movement modes we need to check under integration service properties. Okay, I'll leave about this rest of things. Will not use this under uh, normal operating mode again. Normal mode. Normal mode means if it is in normal mode, it will allow all the jobs to run. Okay, as per the schedule time. If you want to schedule jobs, your integration service should be in normal mode. Then only you will be able to schedule. If you are running in safe mode, if you are running in safe mode, it will not consider the schedule of the integration workflows. If you have scheduled to run one job at 8 or 7 p.m. today, if your integration services in running safe mode means it will not run that job as per the schedule. Why? Because it's running in safe mode. Okay, this is that operating modes we have in integration service. Okay, and one more thing I have to explain. Uh, 1 second, let me find out that. Sorry, I'm not able to find. So we'll move to next option. If you have multiple repository services, like you have 4 repository services in your domain, you want to know which is the parent of this integration service. Okay, you have to go to associated repository option. Under associated repository option, you will get to know the parent of this integration service. Okay, so this is how we'll find out. Okay, and here we will see username of administrator. Our administrator will run this integration service, so we are specifying this administrator's username and password. Sometimes what will happen, our administrator password will expire. Under manage option, will change the current administrator password. If you change that password to new, okay, you have to update same thing under integration service as well, or else it will get failed. Okay, so for that, what you have to do, select that, go to associated repository option, click here, modify password. If you click on modify password, it will ask for new password, click on OK. That's it. This is how we'll change the administrator password. It will update the administrator password for integration service. Okay, that is the one option. And processes, we want to know the under which node it is running. You want to know on which node it is running, you can check under process system. Okay, so this is very crucial topic we need to discuss about this code base. We already discussed about pm root directory, about pm session log directory. Okay, so I'll take this class tomorrow. Why? Because it's very important. We want to know many things under this part. Okay, so I'll take this class tomorrow. Okay guys, it's very important. As of now, we discussed many things, right? Please revise those things. uh, then we'll meet tomorrow to learn more about these things. Okay,
Okay, Anna.
any questions please as of now? Same way we can recycle the integration, and we can recycle disable integration service as well. In which scenarios means, in hang state, if it is running in hang state, we'll recycle the service. Okay, right? Any questions please?
Anna, 1 second, Anna.
Okay,
So under this integration services,
okay,
there is like operating failure over. So there only this advanced properties is there. No?
okay.
So little down. Like what is that one? No? About what operating mode on failure?
Operating mode and failure, right? Yeah, we have if you have high availability feature, we already discussed about that concepts, right? Auto failure, auto recovery, and resiliency time mode. If you are having that uh, high availability feature, uh, you need to uh, in that scenario, while failing over from one node to another node, you what mode you are specifying. We are specifying normal mode. Got it?
Okay.
If you want to fail over in safe mode, you can specify. At the time, jobs will not schedule. Okay.
Okay.
This is the main concept of auto failure during operating mode during auto failure. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Can we drop off?
Okay, no.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you all.
Thanks, Anna.